Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, what we learned today?
Today we will learn about human skeleton. Student, do you know what is human skeleton?
Ma'am, I knew.
Yes, Fiona, please tell.
The human skeleton is the internal framework of the human body.
Yeah, Fiona, you are right.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, students, now I will tell you about human skeleton. The human skeleton is the internal framework of the human body. It is composed of around 270 bones at birth. This total decreases to around 206 bones by adulthood after some bones get fused together. The bone mass in the skeleton reaches maximum density around age 21. Let us go to Dr. Melissa to know more.
Hello friends, today I will tell you about human skeleton. As earlier your teacher told you about human skeleton in short, and I will give you a brief description about human skeleton, so let me change myself. Hello Tammy, I came to know that you were here for knowing more about human skeleton.
Yes, doctor.
The skeletal system works as a support structure for your body. It gives the body its shape, allows movement, makes blood cells, provides protection for organs and stores minerals. The skeletal system is also called the musculoskeletal system. It also protection, gives the body proper shape, and helps in the movement. The human skeleton is divided into the axial skeleton and the appendicular skeleton. The axial skeleton includes the vertebral column, the rib cage, the skull and other associated bones. The appendicular skeleton, which is attached to the axial skeleton, includes the shoulder girdle, the pelvic girdle and the bones of the upper and lower limbs.
Doctor, what is axial and appendicular skeleton?
The axial skeleton is the part of the skeleton that consists of the bones of the head and trunk of a vertebrate. In the human skeleton, it consists of 80 bones and is composed of 6 parts. The skull, 22 bones, also the ossicles of the middle ear, the hyoid bone, the rib cage, sternum and the vertebral column. The appendicular skeleton is the portion of the skeleton of vertebrates consisting of the bones that support the appendages. There are 126 bones. The appendicular skeleton includes the skeletal elements within the limbs, as well as supporting shoulder girdle, pectoral and pelvic girdle.
What are the function of human skeleton, doctor?
The human skeleton performs 6 major functions: support, movement, protection, production of blood cells, warehouse of important minerals. The scalp skull is the most complicated bony structure that forms the head of the skeleton. It provides a protective case for the brain and supports the structures of the face. Do you know, children, that the human skull contains 22 bones? Out of these, 8 bones form a rigid hollow case called cranium, which protects the brain. Other 14 bones form the face and are called facial bones and support the eyes, nose and mouth. The spiny long flexible column of bones extending from neck to the end of the back is called the backbone or vertebral column or spine or spinal column. Human being is born with 33 vertebrae.
Doctor, but why do we need spine?
It forms the supporting backbone of the skeleton and hence helps to support our body. It serves as protective surrounding for delicate spinal cord. Ribcage of ribs are delicate bones that enclose and protect the chest cavity, where organs such as heart and lungs are located. The human rib cage is made up of 12 paired rib bones. Each are symmetrically paired on a right and left side, forming a cage. The last 2 lowest pairs of ribs are only attached to the spine at the back. Hence they are called the floating ribs. Limbs in human body: there are 2 pairs of limbs. Forelimbs, arms, and limbs, legs. To which we will talk in the next class. Thank you. Friends, don't forget to like,
Share.
Subscribe our channel.
Bye bye friends.